Hi friends, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video I'm going to talk about Spring Framework setter injection demo, how exactly the setter injection works. In this example you will learn how to set a bean property via setter injection. Let's see an example. I have a bean called user bean and it has three properties: username, age and country. So user is a bean, and very important is the Spring configuration XML file. In this I am creating one bean definition. I have created a bean definition and the ID is user, and the complete path I'm giving for the complete package I'm giving for the user, so that Spring can create the object for this bean. And here I have three properties I have mentioned here, so username, age and country. So and I'm also giving the value. So this is the way I can set the values using the setter injection. So what exactly will happen is, when I load this XML file, this user object will be created and setter methods will be called. Okay, I've put a breakpoint here so that we can see when exactly the Spring container is calling this method. Let's see. I have a class path XML application context. As you all know, I have to give the XML file, so it's going to read and understand, and it's going to load all the bean definitions within this XML file. And whenever I call this get bean user, it's going to call my setter method. I'm going to run this debugging in a debugging mode. Let's see how exactly it works. So I've started the debugging. Let's see. So the class path application context will load all the bean definitions. We can see in the console as well. Then I'm going to call context.getBean. I have to give the bean ID. And once I get the user object, I'll be printing the attributes that I set in the XML file. So the debugging is starting now. Yes, it started. So I'm pressing F8. So now the XML file is loading. Can you see this loading XML bean definitions from the class path resource? And this is the XML file. Sorry for the delay, it takes a little bit time. Yes. Yes, can you see this? It is calling the Spring container is calling the setter method of our bean. So it tries to set the value that we have set in the XML file. If you see here, the username that we have set in the XML file is coming here. So I want to press F8 again. Can you see this age, that whatever value we set in the XML file, it's coming now. And again I want to press F8. So yes, the country has come. Okay, so I'm going to press F8 and we are going to get this instantiated bean in our client. So I'm going to press F6 so that our user is ready. I just want to show the XML file. So whatever value we have set it here, so the Spring container called the setter method in our bean and it's ready now with all these three values. So this is how the setter method works, setter injection works in Spring. Okay, so we got all the values. David back 20 years old and living in Germany. All the best. Hope this video is useful and hope you understood the setter injection in Spring framework. Thank you and all the best.